Hi, welcome to my video. I've got a lovely set of quite rare Goodmans XB45 speakers here. I'm not quite sure how the three-way works on them. Now the gaskets have obviously gone. I'm not sure if this bottom one is supposed to work in tandem or what it really does, but it does. Neither left or right seem to do anything, but the rest of the speaker, even though the surrounds have gone, I've just been running them with the tuner and with the tape, and I'm really smitten with the sound. I thought, oh, I'll just I'll just see if the drivers are okay before I repair them, and I just can't believe how good these sound. Absolutely. They're going to really run my Acoustic Research 18S's. Give them a good run for their money. I can't remember falling for a set of speakers so quickly as these. Absolutely gorgeous sound. Just to quickly go through them cosmetically, there's a few nicks on the cabinets, because I think I'm going to try to sell these, but if they don't sell, I'll just fix them up myself. A few nicks on the cabinet. There's some holes here. The grills need completely recovering because the cloth is horrible, but fundamentally the structure of the grill is fine, and they've got all 6 pegs on both sides, so there's both the speaker covers. Moving on to the musically, I've got a tape here that I've put on, and so that's balance off to the left channel, and that's the right channel. I'd say I'm obviously getting sound from the middle equally, and I'm getting sound from the tweeters, but I'm getting nothing from the bottom, so don't know what's going on there. Something that somebody more experienced might know what that's all about. But absolutely, what a wonderful sound. Now I popped the tuner on, which will probably be quite loud. And so I won't pester my neighbours anymore, but I absolutely love the sound of these. I'm going to seriously consider doing them up myself. Meantime, I'm going to put an advert up for them, so feel free to buy them and do them yourself. But yeah, I'm really charmed already by these, and I just thought I'd do a little video to show them working as they are. Anyway, thanks very much. Cheers.